we've compiled a list of the top 4 best food processors in 2024, catering to different needs and budgets. Number 1. Cuisinart Custom 14-Cup Food Processor. This powerhouse is the undisputed heavyweight champion. With a massive 14-cup capacity, it's perfect for feeding a crowd or prepping huge batches for meal prepping. I threw everything at this beast, from shredding mountains of cheese to chopping vegetables for a giant pot of soup, and it handled it all with impressive ease. The motor is smooth and quiet, and the controls are intuitive. However, its size does come with a footprint, so consider your counter space. Number 2. Cuisinart Core Custom 13-Cup Food Processor. The little sibling to the 14-cup, this Cuisinart offers a fantastic balance of power and size. The 13-cup capacity is still generous, making it perfect for most families. It tackled all my chopping, slicing, and shredding tasks beautifully. I particularly love the large feed chute, which saved me time pre-cutting ingredients. This model is a fantastic choice for those who want a versatile processor without sacrificing precious counter space. Number 3. Cuisinart Core Custom 4-Cup Mini Chopper. Now let's talk about the little guy. This mini chopper is a game changer for small jobs. Chopping herbs, garlic, nuts. It devours them all in seconds. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or storing away easily. While it won't replace a full-size processor, it's a lifesaver for those everyday tasks that would be a pain with a bigger machine. Number 4. Breville Sous Chef 16 Food Processor. Breville brings some serious competition to the table with the Sous Chef 16. This machine boasts a powerful motor, a large 16-cup capacity, and a sleek design. It aced all the chopping and shredding tests, and the included dough blade even tackled pizza dough with ease. However, I did find the controls a little more complex than the Cuisinart models.